Valentine's Day, massacres, inventions, and scandals. You won't believe. Today in history. Hello, Valentine's Voyagers. From ancient heartbreaks to cosmic breakthroughs, these 20 surprising stories will leave you swooning. Grab your heart-shaped popcorn because we're unveiling the wild, weird, and wonderful events swirling around this legendary day. Number 20. February 14th, 269. The possible date of Saint Valentine's martyrdom in Rome, inspiring some future romantic traditions, with mysterious legends swirling around secret weddings, miraculous healings, and clandestine notes signed from your Valentine. Number 19. February 14th, 842. The Oaths of Strasbourg were proclaimed by Charles the Bald and Louis the German, forging an alliance against Lothair I and shaping the linguistic formation of modern French and German. Number 18, February 14th, 1349. During the Strasbourg massacre, hundreds of Jewish residents were burned alive amid hysteria over the Black Death, illustrating medieval Europe's tragic capacity for scapegoating and large-scale violence born of terror. Number 17, February 14th, 1779. Captain James Cook met his end in Hawaii, embroiled in a sudden conflict with islanders after awkward misunderstandings shattered his initially peaceful reception and ended his long legendary Pacific explorations. Number 16, February 14th, 1797. The Battle of Cape St. Vincent saw Admiral Jervis's British fleet grand triumph over a larger Spanish armada, with Horatio Nelson's daring tactics foreshadowing his future nautical legend at Trafalgar. Number 15, February 14th, 1849. In New York, President James K. Polk took the historic first-ever photograph of a sitting U.S. president, showcasing a brand new technology that would soon ultimately revolutionize media and politics everywhere. Number 14, February 14th, 1859. Oregon joined the Union as the 33rd state, boasting stunning Pacific Coast vistas, remarkably diverse indigenous heritage, and pioneering personalities who shaped its future in logging, agriculture, and bustling trade. Number 13, February 14th, 1876. Alexander Graham Bell filed his world-changing telephone patent application just hours before Elisha Gray's similar claim, sparking decades of heated controversy over who truly invented that revolutionary, marvelous communication device. Number 12, February 14th, 1895. Oscar Wilde's comedic masterpiece, The Importance of Being Earnest, premiered in London, delightfully charming audiences with witty banter, hidden identities, and shrewd satirical jabs at Victorian society's stiff upper lip. Number 11, February 14th, 1903. The U.S. Department of Commerce and Labor was established under President Theodore Roosevelt, aiming to regulate businesses, monitor labor conditions, and push bold progressive policies for fairer industrial-era economic practices. Number 10, February 14th, 1912. Arizona officially became America's 48th state, boldly rounding off the contiguous United States map with its scorching deserts, awe-inspiring Grand Canyon, and an unforgettable adventurous spirit rivaling any cowboy flick. Number 9, February 14th, 1918. The USSR replaced the Julian calendar with the Gregorian, dramatically jumping from January 31st to February 14th, thereby creating a curious official historic chronological leap in revolutionary Russia's diaries. Number 8, February 14th, 1920. The League of Women Voters was formed in Chicago by suffragists led by Carrie Chapman Catt, empowering American women with transformative new political tools just months before federal nationwide suffrage. Number 7, February 14th, 1929. The notorious Valentine's Day Massacre saw Al Capone's gang brutally murder 7 infamous rival gangsters in Chicago, shocking the nation and fueling public outrage over organized crime's violent grip. Number 6, February 14th, 1945. U.S. Army Air Forces mistakenly bombed Prague, Czechoslovakia, tragically claiming hundreds of lives after major navigational errors led the bombers astray from their intended German targets during World War II. Number 5, February 14th, 1956. The 20th Congress of the Communist Party of the Soviet Union began in Moscow, where Nikita Khrushchev delivered his secret speech, denouncing Stalin's cult of personality and reign of terror. Number 4, February 14th, 1961. A team led by Albert Ghiorso synthesized the radioactive element lawrencium in California, boldly expanding the periodic table further and fueling scientific excitement about harnessing nuclear properties for new discoveries. Number 3, February 14th, 1989. Iran's Ayatollah Khomeini issued a fatwa against author Salman Rushdie for the Satanic Verses, sparking a fierce international firestorm over free speech, global religion, and creative expression that persists today. Number 2, February 14th, 1990. NASA's Voyager 1 captured the pale blue dot image of Earth from 6 billion kilometers away, awakening humanity to our precious, fragile cosmic home, mysteriously floating alone in vast darkness. Number 1, February 14th, 2003. Dolly the sheep, the first mammal cloned from an adult cell, was euthanized due to lung disease, marking an end to a revolutionary life that redefined the scientific community's possibilities. Tomorrow's date might reveal wilder tales, from more cosmic discoveries to scandalous kingdom feuds you never saw coming. So, subscribe now, share your favorite revelation in the comments, and prepare for even grander twists in our next thrilling episode. Love, war, or weirdness, history has it all. And trust us, you won't want to miss what's next.